Hey everyone, it's Pam, and we're back with another workshop, Sadie and I. Yes, we are going to make that damn workbook that everyone says they want to make, but never make because they get stuck or they just don't know how or whatever excuse comes up. In this live workshop, we are going to create a workbook in Canva, and it's not just going to be an idea, we're actually going to do it. We're going to build it together. In the free workshop, you will get a free, Canva template, and you'll also get a GPT to help with the process. This all starts on February 7th at 9 a.m. on Zoom, of course. So make sure you click the bottom, the button that you see, Save My Free Seat. Fill out your name and email. You will get an email saying, hey, you're in. And then I just kind of want to go over, yes, Sadie and I are both doing this. And then February 7th. Now, everything will go live in your dashboard on February 7th in the morning. We don't want anyone going ahead of everything. Patience. All right. Now, if you, just a little side note,